Hey guys, this is a 2024 Toyota Corolla. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life on it. First, turn the vehicle on. Over here, that's what we're going to try to get rid of. The maintenance required. Go over here to settings, vehicle settings, and we're using this right here to scroll. You're going to hold OK to go into vehicle settings, schedule maintenance, reset data, yes. You're going to hold OK down. And that's how you do it. So now when we turn the vehicle off, turn it back on, that message is not going to pop up. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching and good luck.